And if the playbook in the past was Agile and then DevOps and then scaled Agile, now is AI. Do we want that AI, it becomes the new digital transformation playbook that has the same data of this picture? And with them, we arrive to the final conclusion. No, we don't want that. AI needs to be the moment where we turn around the ship, because we understood that the problem is the people and the culture that we have inside our society, inside our organization, inside our team. So this is the intriguing aspect that finally came out from this research. And as you see, the problem is not AI. The problem is not that I has hallucination. The problem wasn't that the prompt from the prompt engineers were wrong. The problem is not that the new way of working with AI, with spec-driven, your specs are not good enough. The problem is who is behind the keyboard, the human that is collaborating with AI, capable to work in a way that the amplification of his behaviors as human, his perception of quality will be amplified 10, 20, 30, even 100 times more. Because the real bottleneck now is clear, is us as humans, that we need to get rid of all these functionalities. We need to organize our time in a proper way. We need to be focused. We need to stop being socially disconnected. And what is emerging is a new model. A new model that I will start to describe in the next episode. That is the model of small elite teams. Elite teams built with people inside the 1%. People that you don't pick up from the street with the canonical HR policy, but that you build in your organization with specific systems to upskill people from ordinary to extraordinary. Systems that could be an analogy of what is done in F1, MotoGP, or in the army, getting people that are above average and transforming them into superhumans, into super engineers, super mechanics, super developers. How? With a system that is designed to work in a way that is upskilling the human in a human way.